Combined with high tides and extreme weather events, sea levels will surge up to 5 meters above mean sea level, and this puts nearly a third of Singapore at risk of coastal flooding.
Coastal protection is important because it's integral to our survival.
I think it's really cool to volunteer at this exhibit, and it's also really nice that we get to be a part of sharing all this key information to people of the public. I think the government has put in a lot of effort into making Singapore a safer place and to protect us from rising sea levels.
One message that I really want to send to the future generation is that coastal protection is really about livelihoods, our natural heritage, as well as our collective vision of the future.
Let's work together to protect our coast.